Welcome to our journey through the majestic, mysterious and challenging world of Mount Annapurna. Join us as we explore its breathtaking landscapes, uncover its hidden secrets and delve into the tales of those who have dared to conquer its peaks. Mount Annapurna, part of the Himalayas in north-central Nepal, is not just a mountain. It is a symbol of adventure and human spirit. Its towering heights and treacherous paths have called out to climbers and explorers for decades. We will traverse through its snow-capped summits, lush valleys and rugged terrains, capturing the essence of this awe-inspiring natural wonder. Along the way, we will meet the brave souls who have faced the mountain's formidable challenges, hear their stories of triumph and tragedy, and understand what drives them to take on such an extraordinary feat. So gear up and get ready for an unforgettable expedition into the heart of Mount Annapurna. Exploring Annapurna. The majesty, mysteries and challenges of Mount Annapurna. A journey through its breathtaking landscapes, rich history and the incredible stories of those who dare to conquer its peaks. Join us as we delve deeper into this awe-inspiring adventure. Mount Annapurna, standing tall at 8,091 meters, is the 10th highest mountain in the world. Its name, derived from Sanskrit, means goddess of the harvests, reflecting the mountain's significance in local culture and mythology. The Annapurna Massif includes one peak over 8,000 meters, 13 peaks over 7,000 meters, and 16 more over 6,000 meters, making it a formidable challenge for mountaineers. The journey to Annapurna is not just about reaching the summit, it's about experiencing the diverse ecosystems, from lush subtropical forests to alpine meadows and barren high-altitude deserts. The Annapurna Conservation Area, established in 1986, is Nepal's largest protected area and home to a rich variety of flora and fauna, including rare species like the snow leopard and the Himalayan tahr. The history of Annapurna is filled with tales of triumph and tragedy. The first successful ascent was made in 1950 by a French expedition led by Maurice Herzog and Louis Lacanau. Their harrowing descent, battling frostbite and avalanches, is a testament to the mountain's unforgiving nature. Since then, many climbers have followed in their footsteps, each with their own unique stories of perseverance and courage. Don't miss our exclusive video call. To discuss more about this incredible journey, click the link to join. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more thrilling adventure videos. Stay tuned as we bring you closer to the heart of Annapurna, where every step is a story waiting to be told. In this chapter, we will dive deeper into the history of Mount Annapurna, exploring the ancient legends and the modern-day expeditions that have shaped its legacy. According to local folklore, Annapurna is not just a mountain but a divine entity that blesses the land with fertility and prosperity. These legends have been passed down through generations, adding a mystical aura to the majestic peak. As we transition from myth to reality, the modern history of Annapurna is equally captivating. The first successful ascent in 1950 by the French expedition remains a milestone in mountaineering history. Maurice Herzog and Louis Lacanau's journey was fraught with challenges, including severe frostbite and life-threatening avalanches. Their story is a powerful reminder of the mountain's unpredictable and unforgiving nature. In recent years, Annapurna has continued to attract adventurers from around the globe. These modern-day expeditions bring new technology and techniques but face the same timeless challenges: extreme weather, treacherous terrains, and the ever-present risk of avalanches. Each climber who sets foot on Annapurna adds a new chapter to its storied legacy. We will also hear from seasoned climbers who share their personal experiences and the challenges they faced while conquering this formidable peak. Their stories of perseverance, courage and respect for the mountain offer a unique insight into what it truly means to take on Annapurna. Stay tuned as we unravel the layers of history and adventure that make Mount Annapurna one of the most awe-inspiring peaks in the world. Don't forget to subscribe and click the link in the description to join our exclusive video call for more in-depth discussions about this incredible journey. Our journey continues as we explore the diverse flora and fauna that inhabit the Annapurna region. This chapter will showcase the rich biodiversity that makes this area a natural wonder. From the rare species of plants that thrive in the unique climatic conditions to the elusive wildlife that roams these rugged terrains, Annapurna is a sanctuary for nature's marvels. Among the flora, you'll find an array of medicinal herbs, vibrant rhododendrons, and ancient trees that have stood the test of time. These plants not only add to the beauty of the landscape, but also hold significant ecological value. The diverse plant life supports a variety of animal species, creating a balanced ecosystem that is both complex and delicate. In the higher altitudes, the elusive snow leopard silently prowls, while the red panda, with its striking fur, can be spotted in the dense forests. Birdwatchers will be delighted by the sight of the Himalayan monal, Nepal's national bird, with its iridescent feathers shimmering in the sunlight. Each of these species plays a crucial role in maintaining the ecological balance of the region. The ecological significance of Annapurna extends beyond its borders. The region's unique environment influences weather patterns, water sources, and even the livelihoods of the local communities. Efforts are being made to preserve this natural heritage through conservation initiatives and sustainable tourism practices. These efforts aim to protect the biodiversity while ensuring that future generations can also experience the natural wonders of Annapurna. Join us as we uncover the layers of life that make Annapurna a true natural wonder. Don't forget to subscribe and click the link in the description to join our exclusive video call for more in-depth discussions about this incredible journey. As we reach the final chapter of our journey, we turn our focus to the cultural and spiritual significance of Mount Annapurna. This majestic mountain is not just a natural wonder, but also a sacred symbol deeply intertwined with the lives of the local communities. We begin by visiting the villages nestled in the shadow of Annapurna. Here, life moves in harmony with the rhythms of nature, and age-old traditions continue to thrive. The residents warmly welcome us, sharing stories passed down through generations. They speak of the mountain as a living deity, a protector, and a source of inspiration. We witness rituals that honor Annapurna, from morning prayers to vibrant festivals that celebrate the mountain's benevolence. These ceremonies are not just acts of faith, but also expressions of gratitude for the land that sustains them. The spiritual bond between the people and the mountain is palpable, a testament to the enduring power of belief. However, this chapter also sheds light on the impact of tourism on the region. While visitors bring economic benefits, the influx of travelers poses challenges to the delicate balance of life here. We explore the efforts being made to promote sustainable travel practices, ensuring that Annapurna's natural and cultural heritage is preserved for future generations. Join us as we delve into the heart of Annapurna's cultural and spiritual landscape. We'll uncover the rich tapestry of traditions and rituals that define this region and learn how the local communities are striving to protect their sacred mountain. Thank you for being a part of this incredible journey. Don't forget to subscribe and click the link in the description to join our exclusive video call for more in-depth discussions about this incredible journey.